Hello all you beautiful people, how you doing today? This is Lava Temptress and welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, welcome, hi! Today we're going to be talking about another Humble bundle that just came out. This one is a new software bundle. Learn to create games in Unity. So this one is kickstart your game development career with gamedev.tv. So there's lots of different courses in here. The top bundle is $1,369 worth of awesome stuff, but keep in mind that is only if you purchase the top bundle. So yeah, keep that in mind when you're looking at the tiers. If you're new to Humble Bundle, here's a couple things you should know. You can click up here, the down arrow, and see all the other bundles going on right now, including how much time they have left. Any that have red where this day's left means it has 2 days are left, so you might want to check those out before they are gone. You can always click here to get the bundle if you already know what you want, or down below after we take a look at what's in the bundle. It'll always show you on the page how much time is left here, and this reminder bell, if you click it, is really handy. It'll send you an email before the bundle is up, so that way you can be reminded to come take a look. Alright, now another thing, if you are new to Humble Bundles, this is how it works. There are different tiers. The different tiers are different price amounts. So today we have a $1 tier, pay more than the average of $18.79. Whenever it says pay more than the average, that means that it can go up, and it usually does. So it goes up based off what the average people are paying for the bundle. So just because at the time of me recording it's $18.79 does not mean that is the price that you will see. So if you want the middle average tier, then you're going to want to get this sooner versus later. And then today we have the top tier of $25. And of course, for the top tier is where the $1,369 value comes into play. Now today it's going to be a short and sweet one because, well, it's all stuff to create things in Unity. So first of all, we have Finish It, Motivation and Processing for Game Dev. This is normally $95. So even if you purchase this top bundle, both of these are worth $95 normally. So definitely, if it's something you want to check out or even take a look at, for $1, it's totally worth it, obviously. But you can click on here, watch the little video, or read a little bit more about what is included with it. Next, we have Math for Video Games, and again, you can always watch the videos or read here what it is. Again, gamedev.tv is the one where these all come from. Alright, and for $1, that is it. Now for the next tier, it is the average of $18.79, and again, that could go up. Now, whenever you purchase a tier, you will always get the ones above it. So with the average tier, you'll get the $1 tier. The 25 top tier today, you'll get everything on the page. Alright, so for the average tier, we have Complete Unity Developer 2D. It is completely the Unity. Yeah. It is normally $194.99. Again, if this is something you're going to get into, you definitely want to pick it up while it's on sale like this. Next, we have How to Get a Job in the Video Game Industry. And again, if this is something you want to go into, this is definitely something you're going to want to check out. So this is normally $95 just for this one here. And then the Get Smart Learn Git in Unity, Source Tree, and GitHub. This one again is also $95 normally. So if Unity is your thing, you're probably going to want to pick up at least one of the tiers in this bundle. But then we have the top tier, and again, the top tier is only $25. Even if you wanted any of these, it's totally worth it. And if you bought the top tier, you would get so much more. I think the top tier is worth it, but obviously, I would love to know what you guys have to say too. Alright, so this one, for the first thing for the top $25 tier, is Polygon City Pack by Cynthy Studios. Probably screwed that up, but you know what? That's okay. So this one is normally $19.99, but if you can see the thumbnail here, the graphics on it are pretty, yeah, My internet's been crappy, guys, so that's why sometimes these are uploaded a little bit later. Same day uploading is pain in the butt sometimes. All right, next we have a complete Unity developer 3D. So this one up here is only 2D. This one is 3D. And this one is normally $194.99. Again, huge bundle. Definitely worth it. I think I'm actually going to pick it up. I've been thinking about developing games, but so much time. I don't know if I would have time to do it. Next, we have Unity multiplayer coding and networking. That one looks kind of cool. Next, and that one is normally $195. Next, we have RPG Core Combat Creator. This one by itself is normally, again, $195. Learn how to build combat for role-playing games, which is RPG in Unity. Next, we have Unity Dialogue and Quest Creator. Obviously, if you're going to get into creating a game, you want it to be interesting. You've seen from my reviews, if you can't hook somebody in the first 30 minutes, then it's probably not that great of a game. There are some that people prove me wrong, but you know, that's my opinions. So this one right here is normally $95. And then the RPG Inventory Systems Creator, this one is also normally $95. So if Unity is something you're thinking about getting into, pick it up for $25. $25 versus $1,369. I definitely think I would pay the $25 instead. So I am considering getting this one. I'm on the fence. I'm not sure yet because I know it's not something I have time for right now, but maybe in the future. And again, why not pick it up while it's cheap? As always, Humble supports a charity with every single bundle. This one is Girls Who Code. Now, I will have my link down below, and if you use that, I do earn a little bit, so I just want to say thank you very much. But of course, if not, you can just go to humblebundle.com. All right, the amounts don't always show here. So if that happens to you, just click on custom amount. Excuse me. If it's the dollar tier you want, just type that in, whichever tier, if it doesn't show. Anytime you purchase anything other than the top tier, you now get these warnings that pop up. And all it's saying is it's just telling you you're not going to get the stuff in the other tiers. So whatever tier you want is fine. That's all the warning is saying. Now, the add to cart is only for Humble Choice. If you do want the January Humble Choice, I suggest taking a look at it. I do have a video on that one because there is only 8 days left. So check that one out if that is something you want. This month, it's kind of hit and miss. It depends if they're your game styles, if you know what I mean. All right, so here is where you're going to check out, pay with card, PayPal, Amazon, or Alipay. If you want to give it as a gift, you're going to click on this right here. There we go. And you can even make it anonymous, which is tons of fun. Here is where you're going to put in their emails, so don't forget that step. And that's it. That is our Humble bundle for today. Let me know what you think. I definitely think, you know, if Unity is your jam, you're probably going to want to pick this one up. All right. Until next time, this is Lava Temptress. Don't get burned. Bye.